Hello. Namaste. My name is Laura, and I am so happy that you're here today, claiming this time to relax and to connect with and tend to your beautiful heart. This relaxation, this guided relaxation, can be enjoyed from a comfortable reclined position, or you might love resting into a favorite restorative posture. Perhaps you visit one of my recent videos, Pranayama and Restorative Yoga for the Heart Chakra, and you could drop into the supported heart opener, the supported back bend that I demonstrate in that video. I'll leave a link below if you wish to try that. Or again, you can rest back, reaching for any pillows, restorative yoga props that support you in settling in, smoothing out through the back of the body, the points of contact that your body shares with the ground and any of your props. Checking in with the area of the head and neck, the upper and lower back. Taking any final movements now. And then feeling yourself relaxing into stillness. Noticing the points of contact that your body shares with the ground below. And start to welcome a sense of density through the back of the body. A sense of being held, cradled here, with love, tenderness, and compassion. And as the back body softens into a sense of density and grounding, notice what you feel through the front of the body. What do you feel through the front of the body? This may be a sense of openness, expansion, a sense of spaciousness. The heart chakra connects us with the element of air. Perhaps you feel this sense of expansion a little bit more and more as you breathe in. Noticing how the exhale balances this expansion with a sense of grounding and release, relaxation downward. As you breathe in, there's a felt sense of relaxing, expanding upward. You might notice the touch of air, the presence of the air element around your body and within your body. Always in contact with this element, just as you are always in contact with your heart. feel your breath moving more deeply now. And as it's moving more deeply and as it's lengthening, you might visualize with your mind's eye the breath moving throughout the body. From the heart, the breath draws all throughout the body to the very tips of the fingers and toes, all of the way up and around the crown of the head. You might imagine that as the breath moves from the lungs, from the heart space, energy, loving energy moves from the heart in harmony with this breath, with this oxygen. And that as you breathe and work with this visualization, you are drawing love, loving energy all throughout the body, expanding loving energy throughout your entire being, dense and subtle. You might imagine a time that you've nourished your body with a healing oil or balm. Maybe you imagine the loving energy, the breath, washing over you in that way like a healing, soothing balm, gently nourishing wherever is needed. All you have to do is breathe. Breathing and resting. And this healing balm, this loving energy covers the entire being and moves within, throughout the being, all around and within, until you are completely cocooned safely, gently, and completely filled. Noticing the sense of peace, perhaps a sense of comfort and warmth that you are blessing yourself with from your own beautiful heart, sharing this energy, basking in this beautiful energy from your heart center. Working with this visualization for as long as you wish to. Together we'll take 3 more breaths. You can stay where you are, continuing to soften into relaxation for as long as you feel to. Whenever you're ready to transition, you might start to move and stretch gently, trusting that the benefit of this relaxation will continue to resonate throughout the day, The sense of peace, warmth, and comfort is here within this internal, eternal energy. It's like the presence of your heart, always here to guide you and support you. And I thank you so much for practicing with me today. If you're looking for opportunities to practice live, you might wish to join me and the faculty of the School of Living Yoga in our online yoga studio, where we have classes every day: Hatha, Vinyasa, Yoga Nidra, meditation, and more. You can find a link in the description of this video for a 2-week free trial. I'd love to hear from you about your practice, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.